Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Rabokki, which is ramen in a ddukbokki. Let's get started. Before I start, I wanna give a shout out to Wallace Lee who requested this episode. This one is for you. To get started, we need 1.5 cups of duck, rice cake. Cover it with water to let them soften up. When you soak duck in the water, make sure separate them. We're gonna soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to make our sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, red pepper paste, 1.5 tablespoon of gochugaru, red pepper flakes, and mix it well. The line in Rabokki comes from ramen and the bokki comes from ddukbokki. It means Ramen Tteokbokki. If you want to learn how to make Korean ddukbokki, you can click here. Or if you want to learn how to make Korean ramen, let me know in the comments down below. And we're gonna prepare our veggies. We need half an onion, sliced thinly and put to the side. And we need some cabbages, sliced thinly and put to the side. I'm not using a lot because I don't really like cabbages, but you can put more. And we need 1 leek, sliced thinly and put to the side. Korean ramen is very different from Japanese ramen. Japanese ramen is very rich and Korean ramen is more spicy. We need half of a spicy pepper, sliced thinly. If you don't like spicy food, leave this part out. We need 2 fish cakes. No, 3 cause I really like fish cakes. Cut it in half and put it together and slice diagonally. Make triangle shape and put to the side. We need a skillet. Pour some vegetable oil and put on medium high. Put some frozen dumpling on the skillet and fry it. Korean ramen was invented by the Samyang company, which is famous for the spicy noodle challenge. You can skip this part if you want, but dipping the dumpling in the ddukbokki gives really good flavor. And once it's ready, put to the side. We need a big pot. Drain your rice cake and put it into the pot. Add 3 cups of water and add all the sauce that we made earlier. There are different kinds of ddukbokki sauce and this one is simpler than the one I made in my ddukbokki episode. You can use either recipe for this episode. Get your favorite ramen and pour half a package of the ramen powder. I recommend Shin ramen, it's really good. While we're waiting for it to boil, let's start the Kwon's Corner fact. These days, ddukbokki is thought of as a cheap street food in Korea, but ddukbokki has a royal heritage. The first ddukbokki was invented in a Joseon palace. It was made with a soy sauce base instead of chili powder, so it wasn't spicy at all. No one knows when Rabokki was invented. People start putting ramen in their ddukbokki to make their ddukbokki more filling, changing a street snack into a full meal. Once it's boiling, add all of the vegetables and fish cake we prepared earlier. In Korean ddukbokki restaurants, you can order extra fish cake, rice cake, sausage, cheese, or even tempura. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes more or until it to boil again. And once it's boiling again, add your ramen into the pot. You can add ramen noodles to a lot of Korean recipes like kimchi-jjigae, budae-jjigae, or maeuntan. Rabokki is just one of these recipes. Cook until the ramen is ready. I'm cooking for 3 minutes cause I don't want my ramen to be soggy. Once ramen is ready, pour into a big plate. And decorate with the dumpling we prepared earlier. That's it. Our Rabokki is all ready to eat. Let's try. My favorite one. I think dipping mandu in a tteokbokki sauce is better than dipping in a soy sauce. It's really good. It's very chewy and spicy, but it's still sweet. It's really good. I mean, fish cake is one of my favorite ingredients, and it goes so well. Oh my god. I have to explain, but I have to eat. It's so good. I mean, you really need to try it. You really need to try it. Try this and let me know if you don't like it, then I will send it to you. Okay, see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!